Okay, let's start our lecture on basic biology review. Now, it's really important because this is a psychology class, but it's a biology-based psychology class. I really would like you to ask questions if I go too fast or things are a little confusing for you, okay? Because this is very important to get the basics down. And we're going to start in, like I said, in one of the orientations, we're going to start in about the 6th grade, okay? Now, first, let's look at this slide right here, this picture of this naked lady right here, okay? One of the toughest problems for beginning students of science, the human sciences like biology, is to understand the concept of the size differences between things you're talking about. Whether you're talking about an atom or a molecule or a cell or an organ or a tissue, it gets very confusing for all students to start. Okay, so we're going to break it down in the simplest way. So there are these 6 levels, and we're going to go sort of in order, and I have example slides coming up after them. We have first the chemical level, the smallest level. We'll talk about those chemicals in the next slide, the difference between an atom and a molecule and so on and so forth. Then we go to the cellular level where we have different cells, which are much larger than the chemicals or molecules we're talking about. And then the cells come together to make up tissue. And we'll talk about the 4 main tissue types in human and animal tissue. And then those tissues make up organs. So whether it's the heart or the lungs or the stomach, the tissues make them up. And then, of course, those organs make up an organ system. You have the digestive system, you have the respiratory system. And then all of those systems make up the actual organism, as we call it, the organismic level. So the next slides come and give examples of each of these.